We shall continue with our logarithm problems in this video. Within 2 videos, we'll finish our logarithm, basic logarithm. The portion is basic logarithm. Basic logarithm problem. Basic logarithm problem. Problems. The question is, solve for x. Question number 1. Solve for x. 5 log raised to x plus 3 log raised to x is equal to 3 log raised to x plus 1 minus 5 log raised to x minus 1. So, we'll start a solution now. It's a very simple sum. Here, 5 log raised to x plus 3 log raised to x is equal to 3 log x into 3 minus 5 raised to log x into 5 raised to minus 1. That is 5 raised to log x plus 3 raised to log x is equal to 3 log x, 3 into 3 log x. The 1 log x is 3 into 3 log x here. 5 by 5 raised to log x by 5. This 1 log x will cancel from here. This will cancel here. So 5 raised to log x plus 5 raised to log x by 5 is equal to 2 into 3 raised to log x. That is 5 raised to log x. Take common, you get 1 plus 5 by 5 gets is equal to 2 into 3 raised to log x. 2 into 3 raised to log x, okay? That is equal to 5 raised to log x, 5 raised to log x by into 6 by 5 is equal to 2 into 3 raised to log x. We'll repeat the step at next board. 5 raised to log x into 6 by 5 is equal to 2 into 3 raised to log x. That is, simplifying, we get it 5 raised to log x by 2 raised to log x. Sorry, 3 raised to log x. 3 raised to log x is equal to 5 by 3, which is nothing but 5 by 3 raised to log x is equal to 5 by 3 raised to 1, which is nothing but log x is equal to 1. That is x, this base is 10, that is log x to the base 10 is equal to 1. X is equal to 10 raised to 1 is equal to 10, and the answer. Now we'll go next problem. So this sum, if log of x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, prove that x square plus y square is 6xy. A simple sum, we'll do it. We do it. Now what is given? Given log of x minus y by 2 is equal to twice of log x, 1 by 2 of log x plus log y. This I can write it as 2 twice of log x minus y by 2 the whole square. Y by 2 is equal to log of xy. Sum become product. That is log of x minus y by 2 the whole square is equal to log xy. So the whole square, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square by 4 is equal to xy. That is x square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 4xy. That is x square plus y square is equal to 6xy. Hence proved. Hence proved. So the proof is over. See, the given question is given p is equal to log 20 to the base 10 and q log 25 to the base 10. Then find the value of x if 2 log x to x plus 1 to the base 10 is equal to 2p minus q. Let us simplify right hand side. 2p minus q is equal to 2 into logarithm of 20 to the base 10 minus logarithm of 25 to the base 10. That is logarithm of 20 square to the base 10 minus logarithm of 25 to the base 10. That is 400 to the base 10. 400 to the base 10 by 25. So, 400 to the base 10 to 25 is equal to logarithm of 15 to the base 10. That is equal to 2 log, that is 2 log x plus 1 to the base 10 is equal to 16 log 16 to the base 10. What will you get? You will get it as log 10 to the base x plus 10 the whole square is equal to log 16 to the base 10. Last step. Therefore, x square is plus 1 is, sorry, x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 16. X plus 1 the whole square is equal to 16. So, x plus 1 is 16. X is equal to 3. Sorry, x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 4. X is equal to 3. This is the answer for that problem. Now, find the value of, next question is, find the value of question number 4 or number 5, I suppose. Number 5. Find the value of we are applying properties 1 by log a b c to the base a plus 1 by log a b to the base b plus 1 by log a b to the base c. So find the value of it, or it is equal to 1. So we know 1 by log a to the base b is equal to 1 by log b to the base a. So it becomes like that. Logarithm of a to the base abc plus logarithm of b to the base abc plus logarithm of c to the base abc. Now apply multiplication property. Logarithm of abc to the base abc. Therefore it's 1 because logarithm of a to the base a, logarithm of a to the base a is equal to 1. This problem is over therefore. A very simple sum. Next question, sixth question. Prove that log a to the base b into log b to the base c into log c to the base d is equal to log a to the base. How will you solve it? Think. What property will apply? We will apply base change rule. Base change rule. What is base change rule? Base BCD is equal to logarithm of a to the base b is equal to logarithm of a to the base c divided by logarithm of b to the base c. This rule will apply here. So, given what is given? Given logarithm of a to the base b into logarithm of, or it is rather RHS, it is LHS, it is LHS, logarithm of b to the base c into logarithm of c to the base d. That is equal to logarithm of a to the base, let us put k, logarithm of b to the base k into logarithm of b to the base k divided by logarithm of c to the base k into logarithm of c to the base k divided by logarithm of d to the base k. So b to the base k, this will cut. So what you have? Logarithm of a to the base k by logarithm of d to the base k is equal to logarithm of a to the base d. Hence proof. Logarithm of a to the base.